In the quest for the ultimate home workout, the Bowflex 840 Kettlebell emerges as a contender that promises to revolutionize your resistance training. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details of this adjustable kettlebell and find out. The heart of the Bowflex 840's appeal lies in its adjustability. With a simple twist of a dial, you can seamlessly switch between weights, ranging from 8 to 40 pounds. This feature not only saves time, but also space, eliminating the need for multiple kettlebells cluttering your workout area. Despite its outer hard plastic shell, the Bowflex 840 doesn't feel cheap. It's designed with a slightly bulky profile, which may be a bit cumbersome for one-handed exercises, but is ideal for two-handed moves. The handle is generously sized to accommodate both hands comfortably, making it a versatile piece of equipment for a variety of workouts. The Bowflex 840's build quality is robust, with weight plates securely locked inside, ensuring they don't rattle or shift during use. Its size is larger than traditional kettlebells, but its contoured edges allow for a comfortable grip and rest against the arm, making it surprisingly manageable for exercises like shoulder presses. At $199 Canadian, the Bowflex 840 isn't the cheapest option on the market. However, considering the range of weights it offers in one compact design, it presents a cost-effective and space-saving solution for those looking to invest in their home gym. The Bowflex 840 shines with its quick weight adjustment, space-saving design, and durable construction. It's a solid choice for both beginners and seasoned athletes. However, some users may find the weight jumps a bit too significant, and there have been occasional reports of the mechanism getting stuck, though customer support is available to address any issues. Bowflex doesn't just sell you a kettlebell. They provide a fitness ecosystem with 24 training videos available. Users can diversify their routines and ensure they're performing exercises correctly. The Bowflex 840 kettlebell is more than just a weight. It's a comprehensive tool for enhancing your fitness journey.